How to change and remove email on Roblox. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Roblox in your device and make sure to log into your Roblox account. Now once you navigate to the home page of Roblox, you have to click on the settings icon from the top right corner. From here, click on settings. Now once you get into settings, under your settings, there is an account info section. And under account info section, there you can find your email address in your Roblox. Now to change it, click on this pencil icon next to it. A drop-down box will pop up. Here it says, the account email will not change until the new email has been verified. So under that, you have to provide the new email address that you would like to change. Then click on Change Email. Now, a one-time code has been sent to your registered email. You have to enter your one-time code to continue. So you will receive a code in your registered email on Roblox. So go back and check your email. I have received my code, so I'll just type in right here. Now it says an email has been sent for verification. Click on OK. After that, you will see this pending verification. Now to verify this Gmail or your email account, you have to open up Gmail in your device. There you will receive a verification email from Roblox. So open up Gmail with your new email address. So in your Gmail, make sure to log in with the account that you have recently added in Roblox, and here you will have an email from Roblox. Now here it says verify email, click on it. And after you have verified, the new email address has been added in your account. Now if you would like to remove that, you can again go to the settings icon from the top right corner and then click on settings. And in the same way, you can add your new email address and this old email address will be removed. So this is the way to change or remove email address on Roblox, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.